Hi friends, it's Abhay here. Welcome to Coders Project. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about the data type string. So what are strings in Python? String is a sequence of characters in Python. The data type for string in Python is called as str. String in Python is surrounded by either single quotation marks or double quotation marks. As you can see in this example, hello is surrounded by single quotation marks, and over here it's surrounded by double quotation marks. Both mean the same. Let me show you a live example. I'll define a variable x equals welcome, and I'll define a variable y equals to coders project. Now I'll just print this out. Let me give double quotations over here. Yeah, let me print it out. Print x plus y, and let me also print type x and type y. Let me run this. So as you can see, it says welcome to coders project. So the class of variable x is string, even the variable y class is string. So this is how you play around with strings over here. Thank you guys for watching my video. Do subscribe my channel, like my videos. See you soon.